Hey, this is John the Super Taster, and today I'm trying Trolli Gummy Pop, strawberry and grape flavor. This is new. I love those little characters. They are so cute and crazy. But I've seen videos on this, and the thing is like a gummy. Kind of weird. That's how you got it. Yep, it is. Watch. It just bends. And it does. It tastes like gummy. So it's like a regular ice cream bar that tastes almost exactly like the gummies that they produce, with like this gelatin that makes it bendable. Like, not as gummy, but it's pretty darn close, honestly. I think they did a really good job at making these. They're weird and cold. They're weird and they're fun, and I really like it. I think it tastes almost exactly like the actual gummies themselves. Worth trying.